These are the Daily Tech headlines for Tuesday, December 2nd, 2025. I'm Rob Dunwood. The Supreme Court is hearing a major copyright case between Cox Communications and the music industry. The music industry wants to hold ISPs liable for user privacy, a stance opposed by ISPs and tech companies like Google and X, who warn of mass disconnections and forced internet policing, potentially harming the tech industry and AI development. Justices seem skeptical of the music industry's argument, fearing entire communities could lose access over one infringer, but also question Cox's legal shield. The case is compared to the 40-year-old Betamax VCR copyright fight. Apple is reportedly planning to resist an order from the Indian government that mandates phone manufacturers, including competitors like Samsung and Vivo, to preload a state-backed anti-theft cybersecurity app called Sanchar Saathi on all new and existing devices. Industry sources indicate Apple will cite privacy and security concerns for not complying with the directive, which was previously issued on November 28th and would reportedly prevent users from disabling the app. Apple intends to avoid public confrontation despite the app being made mandatory. Samsung has officially fully unveiled its Galaxy Z TriFold, a 3-panel folding smartphone, which will launch in Korea on December 12th, followed by a U.S. release in Q1 2026. The unique inward folding design opens to a 10-inch main display with a 6.5-inch cover screen when closed. It measures 3.9 millimeters unfolded, 12.9 millimeters folded, and weighs 309 grams. The TriFold features a custom Snapdragon 8 chip, a 5600 milliamp battery with 45-watt charging, and the high-end camera setup of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Due to its complex 2-inch design, the TriFold is expected to be priced significantly higher than the Z Fold 7's $2,000 starting price. Apple's AI chief John Giannandrea is being replaced by former Microsoft and Google executive Amar Subramanya following the troubled launch of Apple Intelligence and the delay of a Siri overhaul. Giannandrea's departure comes after internal issues and poor testing, which led him to be sidelined. Subramanya, who previously worked on Google's Gemini Assistant, is tasked with accelerating Apple's AI efforts, which will reportedly include using Google's Gemini to power the next version of Siri, a move that highlights the company's struggle to compete while maintaining its privacy focus on smaller on-device AI models. OpenAI is reportedly facing a code red as its lead in the AI race diminishes due to rising competition, particularly from Google. CEO Sam Altman has mandated an intense focus on improving ChatGPT's speed, reliability, personalization, and ability to answer more questions, delaying other initiatives like ads, shopping agents, and a personal assistant named Pulse. This pivot comes as Google, which had previously declared its own code red after ChatGPT's launch, is now gaining users with successful tools like Nano Banana image model and the superior Gemini 3 model. NVIDIA is increasing its focus on physical AI, particularly in robotics and autonomous vehicles, with new infrastructure in AI models. A major introduction is Applemayo R1, an open reasoning vision language model based on the Cosmos Reason model. NVIDIA claims this is the first vision language action model for autonomous driving research, allowing vehicles to make nuanced human-like decisions by processing visual and text data. The model is available on GitHub and Hugging Face, accompanied by the Cosmos Cookbook resources to aid developers, supporting NVIDIA's goal of being the central intelligence for all robots. YouTube is rolling out a new global annual recap feature accessible on mobile and desktop, which provides users with personalized insights into their viewing habits, interests, and how their taste evolved over the past year. This Spotify Wrapped-like experience uses up to 12 cards and assigns a unique personality type. While it includes some music stats, it's separate from the existing YouTube Music Recap. YouTube also released trend charts detailing the most popular topics, creators, podcasts, and songs in the U.S. for 2025, alongside the recap launch. In response to competition from ultra-low-cost marketplaces like Shein and Temu, Amazon is enacting a major fee reduction for sellers in Europe. Effective December 15th, referral fees for cheap clothing and accessories will significantly be cut, making Amazon fees more competitive. These fee reductions will also extend to home, pet, grocery, and vitamin products starting February 1st. Furthermore, Amazon will reduce fulfillment fees for parcels in major European markets from December 15th, attributing the savings to operational improvements as it aims to maintain its dominance in the European e-commerce market. And finally, Discord is introducing a new commerce feature starting with the game Marvel Rivals that lets users buy, gift, and wishlist digital game items directly within the official game Discord server. This feature, which is currently limited to the desktop app and US currency, aims to simplify the purchasing and gifting process, a major part of Discord's existing shop purchases, to help game developers earn incremental revenue and acquire new players. Discord plans to eventually expand this feature to all developers, consoles, and mobile devices. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. And if you enjoy the show, remember to tell a friend to check us out. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.